to Florence Falls now. We're only doing a few things today because we sort of got to camp around lunchtime, and we've got 4 days, well 5 days really.
Yeah, 5 days
to do Litchfield, and hopefully Cass's family can come up to Darwin. Hopefully for our 30th, we'll see. But if not, we're just going to make our way back down to, or we'll make our way down to Alice Springs. What are you gonna do?
So we're just walking to Florence Falls at the moment. We were going to head there yesterday, but we ended up at Buley Rockholes for a good couple of hours. We loved it there, so we're doing Florence Falls today.
They were too good to leave, so once we've finished this walk and checked out Florence, maybe have a swim, we'll see. Yeah, we'll head back to Buley and have another swim for an hour or so. It's starting to get really busy though, so what would you say? What's the best time to come down, Cass? Probably
first thing in the morning.
First thing in the morning or late afternoon.
Late afternoon, yeah.
Yeah, I'd say that's the best time to come down. But this is a 4.8 from Buley Rocks. It's a 4.8 return trip. So, yeah, 2.4 for the two Florence from Buley, and Florence back is 2.4. So, such an easy walk too. Cass will show you the path. It's just a exposed ag path the whole way, so very easy. And there's lots of places along the way, along this walk too, little waterfalls that you can just pull off and have a swim, and then get back onto the walk. But it's very warm, but there are heaps of wildlife and lizards, but I think we're nearly there, so we'll show you when we get there. It should be sick.
just coming back from Florence Falls. It was so packed, so busy, but it was still good. It's a nice big pool, so
yeah,
still had a good swim.
Yeah, the walk, we took the trail, was it the Shady?
Yeah, the Shady Creek walk.
Creek walk.
So it's a little bit longer,
yeah,
to get there.
1.6 k's, but well worth it. There's some cool little spots to stop off, swim, little creeks and shady areas. It's actually really nice. But yeah, 1.6, go have a swim. It's
well,
so
this
good.
one's 1.6, but the Shady Creek walk was only,
oh yeah, sorry, 950.
only 950 meters. So
it felt like 1.6 though.
yeah, it was a bit rocky and up and down and some steps and stuff, but it was actually a really nice walk. It was like a rainforest. It was cool.
Yeah. But if you don't want to do the walk from Buley, there's a car park and it's a 400 meter walk down some stairs to the Florence Falls, so the plunge pool. So if you're not up for walking, do that. Drive to the car park and walk down the stairs. Absolute epic place. So this is becoming mine and Cass's favourite place so far. I don't know what
I reckon, like besides Gibb River Road.
Yeah, I don't know what it's going to take to knock Manning Gorge and that off on the Gibb River, but
yeah, Gibb River Road was, I reckon, my number one so far, but
yeah,
I don't know, this is
slowly becoming
this is knocking it off pretty quick.
And what are we in? We're in August, just over the first week of August, and the weather is 35, sun, not too humid. So I would say probably around this time, just coming into the back end of the dry season. So please do yourself a favour. Florence Falls, Buley Rockholes, unreal.
They do jump up like this, it's exactly the same as they're swimming, using their powerful back tail to propel themselves through the water, and they're tucking their legs in as well. They do actually move their organs around as well to make sure they get maximum buoyancy and the best height. Come on, sweetheart. That popping sound there, that's called a jaw pop. So that's all the air escaping from the mouth. About one ton of pressure. So it works the same as you guys. Oh, he likes you guys.